Hi everyone, this is just a quick video about this transmission issue that I have always had with this car. And if there's anyone out there who knows these ZF 4 HP 18 transmissions and knows what I'm talking about, or can identify the issue through this video, please get in touch with me, write a comment or contact me through email, and the email address can be found through my channel page. So the issue that I'm having is that the transmission is making sort of Michael Jacksonish noise when shifting from second to third. It's not doing it when I accelerate really softly, or should I say gently. So now it's in second. And here comes the third. No issues at all. And now let me show the noise. As far as I know, the clutch isn't slipping. I have replaced transmission oil really frequently, so I don't believe that's the issue either. And I have replaced the governor seals, and that didn't help. So I'm left doubting that it might be something to do with the valve body or the clutch packs itself. And if you know, just please contact me and let me know what you think. I'm going to show one more time with a bit more acceleration.